So hello guys, welcome back to our new session of the digital forensics. So in this session we are going to discuss about the memory dumping. So today we will explore memory dump and its significance in digital forensics and the methods used to acquire and analyze the memory dumps. And memory dumping is a crucial process in understanding the state of the system at a particular moment, especially in the context of the incident response and the malware analysis. So, what is memory dump? A memory dump is a snapshot of the content of a computer's RAM, that is random access memory, at the specific point in a time. So, this snapshot can include the running processes, loaded drivers, open network connections, and the other data that can provide a detailed view of the system's activity. So what is the importance of memory dumping? So there are so many like importance like incident response, malware analysis, digital forensics, system troubleshooting. In incident responding, it helps in understanding the activity occurred at that time of the security incident, such as malware execution or unauthorized access. And in malware analysis, it allows for the identification and analysis of malware that can or that might be residing only in memory. So it also provides a crucial evidence that can help the reconstruct event leading up to and during a cyber incident. So it is also useful for diagnosing the system catches and software bugs and other technical issues. So there are some live acquisition for the memory dumping, like performing while the system is running. There are some tools like DumpIt, FTK Imager. FTK Imager is for Linux, I think so, and it's also available for Windows. But Linux comes, the Kali Linux comes pre-installed in it. Uh, and there is also like Belcar soft RAM capture, but the best is DumpIt, and I will also provide you the software DumpIt uh, in the description link. It is not available in the folder or the zip I have provided of the Google Drive link. It's not available there. I will just provide the link in the description right here, so you can check it out from there. So there are some crash dumps, like they generated automatically by the operating system when it crashes, when you can see the blue screen of death in Windows 10 or Windows 7. Also it is available, not only Windows 10, but mostly it's mostly it appears on the Windows 10, like blue screen, and there's a sad face emoji there, and there's a error like watchdog violations and crash dump, memory dump, and other errors are there. So it is generated at that time, and Windows creates the dump file like memory.dump when the blue screen of death occurs. And the hibernation files that created when the system enters in hibernation, these files can be passed to exact memory content. You can see, if you are using the Kali Linux on the virtual box or the your laptop or computer, so when you hibernate your Kali Linux machine, so after turning your PC on, removing the battery of PC, removing the CMOS cell, doing anything, and after starting your laptop or PC or any machine, you can see the state of the Linux machine is as it is. Like that app was open and the Chrome tabs was opened, and what was just going on that tab, that was also in that stage, like freeze state. So that's this file can pass by the extracted memory content like that. So this was the hibernation files as memory dump works there. So there are some manual dump creations, like using command line tools and scripts to generate the dumps. Like there are some tools like in Windows Task Manager and sys internal prompt dump. It is available in the Windows. If you don't find that, you can just DM me. I will show you the path how to find it, but you can still search there in the Windows tool or Windows that search icon, like there below, Explorer. you can find it easily there. So there are some memory dump analysis like volatility of framework, uh, Rekall, Redline, Belkline soft live RAM capture. These are the softwares, but we will just use the DumpIt because it is the best. There are some common artifacts found in the memory dumps like running processes, open files and the network, loaded modules and the drivers, user credential and the sessions, and the Marvel artifacts. There are some challenges in memory dump analysis like volatility of data, encryption and comprehension, and anti-forensic techniques, as we had discussed in the previous session. There are some best practices for memory dumping like minimizing the system changes. Use trusted tools like DumpIt. It is the best trusted tool. If you want the some detailed information, you can search the DumpIt on the Google. You will get the whole history and the all background scenarios of the DumpIt software and their companies, such how great forensic companies this. So you will know from that. And the next is that is the analyze quickly. So memory data is time sensitive, so prompt analysis is crucial. So that's is memory dumping. So let's see the memory dumping in the practical. So let's see. Now just open the path where you have just saved the or downloaded the dump it. Go to this folder, this rar file, zip file, go to x64 bin, and then you can see there are so many tools right here for the dumping, but you have to just go to the dumpit.exe right here, click here, and as you can see, it is saying accuracy. Just press y, and you can see there is processing, and till that we will just copy this path, control C, and I will take it to center, go to the explorer and just paste it in here. It has opened that file. We have to not open that file, we have to just open the path of that dump file. So just click here on this and go there, just hit the enter button, just press here enter if it has successfully done or not. Just paste that link again, it is not pasting, I don't know why. We will just do it again. So it is asking for some extra, just click here no. It is extracting, I think just cancel it and just run that dump it again to get the link or a sorry URL of the path URL. So there's no need to again dump it, so just copy the path URL from above here. It is so hard to copy, just click it and just press Ctrl C, because if you leave the left button on the mouse it will not copy now. Just click on, I don't know why it is not copying here. I'll just paste in C directory, so this there. Copy, I will again this. So I will go manually. Go to user, then icon, then just there is no app data. So go to the view tab above, you can see, and go to the check the hidden items, and you can see the app data. Oh no, it's still closed. Again, I want to open this now. Okay, it was not here. I'm just manually checking it. Just I'll run this again. So just check the path. So it is the local then temp. Just go to the just I will adjust this here right now. Just go to the local, then temp, and that is the rar dollar ex something something there. Just I'll search it here. There are so many files like rar dot. Just check it out. It's not this one also. Dot 367. Where is the dot 367? It is very hard to find. So I'll just refresh it and just check it again if it is finding or not. So dot 367 it is. Okay. Go to say x64. Then as you can see, there are some dump file and JSON file. Just click no error and just you can see JSON file and dump file. Dump file is like 8 like something KB. Just see the property. As you can see, the size is a 7.88 GB. And then go to the system properties right here. It's not this PC, so we will go it manually right now here. So just open in the new window, just click above properties, and as you can see there is 8 GB, means 7.88 GB usable, means it's near about 8 GB only. So as you can see this property here, it's 7.88 GB. So the current situation of the PC of RAM dump has been created successfully. So this is the method how you can create the memory dump, and thank you for watching.